No dock doors available? Then easily move a Bluff Yard Ramp into position with your lift truck. Reaching into the pump access hole, simply turn the pump release valve counterclockwise to release the hydraulic pump pressure. The ramp then is safely lowered onto the truck tailgate. Safety chains come attached to the yard ramp. Simply secure the chains to the ICC bar on the trailer and you are ready to go. Once your load transition is complete, again use this self-contained hydraulic pump to raise the ramp off the truck's tailgate. Attach the ramp's tow bar to both the Bluff Yard Ramp and your lift truck, and you are off to service another trailer.